Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everybody, my name is Ilham and welcome to Ambar Ilham channel. Today I'm gonna to explain about the if function in Excel. We are going to learn the 5 function if condition. The first is if with one condition. The second is will going to learn if function followed by if, and then the third we are going to learn if function combined with and next if followed by value, then if with another criteria followed by the same value, and then if function combined with or. So before I continue, for those of you who haven't subscribed my channel, please to subscribe so I can be more enthusiastic to create more Excel presentation. Thank you for subscribing, and we are going to continue, and let me start. The first is if with one condition. If stock level is more than 2, then overstock. If not, there is not overstock. So let me start the if function. If the condition is the stock level more than 2, day 3 more than 2, then overstock. And then comma, if not, non-overstock. And then close bracket, and then double click here, and here's the result. Let me see the criteria whether it is match or not. The condition is if stock level is more than 2. In this, the condition is stock level more than 2. This is more than 2 and this is more than 2. So this 3 criteria has fulfilled the criteria, and then the condition is overstock. And then the second if function followed by if. We have the 2 conditions here. If the stock level is more than 2 or the goods is big, then need to campaign. So there are 2 criteria has been fulfilled. So let me start. If the criteria is the stock level is more than 2, comma, and then followed by another if the good is big, here is big equals to big, then need to campaign. If not campaign. And then close bracket. And another criteria, if there are no big or no the condition is the criteria is of course not campaigned. And then close bracket. Here we go. Let me see. There is only one criteria that's fulfilled the condition. The stock level is more than 2 and the good is big in number item 2, item B. Let me start on the sheet 3. We are going to do the same thing from the sheet 2, but we are going to use the different formulas. I'm going to use the if and combined with and function in Excel. If and the condition 1 is stock level is more than 2, the 3 is more than 2. The second condition is the good is big, E3 equals to big. Then the criteria is campaign. If not, non-campaigned. Close bracket. Sorry, not campaigned. Not campaigned or not campaigned. And the result is still the same with the sheet 2 here. And the next is if followed by value, then if with another criteria followed by the same value. So the criteria is If stock level is more than 2 or goods is big, then need to campaign. If not, there is no campaign. So the criteria 1, if stock level is more than 2, then the condition is campaign. The second is the goods is big equals to E3 equals to big, then the condition is campaign. If not, not campaign. Sorry, here's something error here. If A3, if again A3 equals to big, campaign. If not, no campaign. And close bracket again, and this is the result. We can see here one of these criteria has been fulfilled. The criteria on number item A is big, they need to campaign. The item B, the two criteria has been fulfilled. The stock level is more than 2 and the good is big, so of course this no need to campaign. And for item C, the stock level is more than 2, even though the good is medium, but one of these criteria has been fulfilled, so there is need to campaign. But in item E, the condition is stock level is smaller than 2 and the good is small, it's not big, so there is no need to campaign, not campaign. Okay, let me start on the fifth condition. If function combined with OR. So there is two criteria with OR function. I will combine if OR. The condition 1 is the stock level is more than 2. And the condition 2 is the goods is big equals to big, then need to campaign. If not, not campaign. That's all. And then copy and paste the formula, extend the formula. The result you can see here, the result is the same even though I use the different formulas. I think that's all for today. If you have any question regarding to Excel, Word or Google Sheet, please to write down on the comment below. Inshallah I will answer it on the next video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.